Yeah, we've got a clear winner.
To be fair, he's not a fair competitor. It's like he's more experienced than
Yep,
me.
I totally get that, but that's no
Yeah,
excuse for you getting zero.
yeah, I know.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we have a theory quiz where we're going to have two contestants. So one's a learner and one's a qualified driver. And they're going to get 5 questions each. We're going to see who gets the most answers correct here. So learner v qualified driver. Realistically, the qualified driver should win this contest, but we'll see. Right then, so let's introduce both participants. So, Mamadou, could you introduce yourself? Let us know about your driving and that, please.
Hello guys, my name is Mama G, and I'm 19, and I've been driving for since I was 14, but it's been automatic, and I've been looking to drive manual, so I'm learning more,
S-
and I've
Sorry,
no, but
sorry, Mamadou, could I just ask you there? You did say you've been driving since 14.
yeah, that was like when I was in Italy. Like I was learning. I'm still a learner. Like
Okay,
yeah, I'm still a learner. But like I
oh,
had someone next to me teaching me
okay,
everything.
cool.
Yeah,
And
but
so in
since
Italy, you
then
can start learning at 14.
yeah, I started learning at 14.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Right. So how are your lessons going here? Are you having lessons at the moment?
At the moment, no, I'm just having because I've been busy lately. I'm just with friends, just friends teaching me. That's it. But not,
Okay,
I haven't had a proper lesson yet.
okay. And you've still got to do your theory test, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks. And next we have Mohammed. So Mohammed, you're already qualified, yeah?
Yeah.
So how long ago did you pass your test in that?
Um, it's come to 7 years this year.
7 years.
Yeah.
So been a while, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously it's been a while since you've done your theory as well, yeah. So
Yeah. Yeah.
good to know how much you still remember. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. Right. Any questions, guys, before we start?
No.
No.
Cool. Okay, so guys, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be using the complete theory test kit app. The questions are going to be straight off there. Yeah. So I'm going to pick a session. So there's categories, yeah, and I'll tell you which category we're going to pick. Okay, right. So there's quite a few categories that we can choose from, and the one that I'm going to choose today is road and traffic signs. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're both going to get 5 questions, turn by turn. Yeah. So the app obviously generates questions randomly, so I have no idea which questions you're going to get. So it's just potluck. You might get an easy one, you might get a difficult one. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We ready?
Okay. Yeah.
So does anybody want to go first?
Uh, I don't mind.
Yeah, Mamadi.
Yeah.
So we'll start with you. Yeah. Okay. Right. So I'll show you the sign. Yeah. I'll go through the possible answers first, and then I'll show you the sign. Obviously, for those that are watching, the sign will be on screen now. Yeah. Okay. So Mamadou,
Okay.
in winter, road signs can become covered by snow. What does this sign mean? So is it crossroads, stop, turn right, or a giveaway? So can you see that?
Wait, can't see at the moment.
Yeah, the sign's covered in snow. You can see the bottom
Uh,
part, yeah?
yeah, I see the bottom part. Does that mean slippery?
So the possible answers are crossroads, stop, turn right, or giveaway. So is it crossroad sign, a stop sign, a turn right sign, or a giveaway sign?
Can I see that again, please?
Yes, of course.
I think it's a crossroad.
You think it's a crossroad sign?
Yeah.
Yeah, final
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah, that's my final answer.
Okay. So that was the wrong answer. The correct one was it's a stop sign. You can tell by the shape of the bottom, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. So,
Okay.
Mohammed, this is another
Yeah.
sign. Obviously, it is all going to be signs. Yeah. What does this sign mean? Is it cattle grid ahead, gated road ahead, level crossing with gate or barrier, or level crossing without gate or barrier. Right, here's the sign.
C, the third one.
The third one.
Yeah.
So you're going for level crossing with gate or barrier.
Yeah.
Well done. That's the correct answer. Right, Mamadou, what does this sign mean? So have a look at the sign first, then I'll give you the options.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what does this sign mean? No buses and cycles allowed. Contraflow bus and cycle lane. No waiting for buses and cycles. Or with flow bus and cycle lane.
Second option.
Second option.
Yeah.
So contraflow bus and cycle lane you've gone for, yeah? Final answer?
Yeah.
Again, incorrect. It was with flow bus and cycle lane. Okay, so not a good start at the moment, Mamadou.
Yeah, he's not.
Okay, so for this one, Mohammed, which
Yeah.
sign out of these four informed you that you're coming to a no through road? So which one means no through road? A, B, C, or D?
I can only see the two.
You can only see two.
Yeah, I can see it's fine. It's the blue one.
The blue one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going for the blue one, which is C, and that is the correct answer. Right then, so 2 out of 2 so far for Mohammed, and 0 out of 2 for Mamadou, yeah?
Thanks.
Right, Mamadou, you do have to get this one correct, really, yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
so here's the sign, yeah? So check out this sign. What does this sign mean? Can you see it?
Yeah, Enzo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, and I'm going to give you the options, okay? End of restricted parking area, end of clearway, end of restricted speed area, or end of cycle route.
End of cycle route.
End of cycle route. Yeah, final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Again, incorrect. So the answer was end of restricted parking area. Right. Basically, if Mohammed gets this one right, he's
a winner.
he's won, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So what does this sign mean? I'll give you the options. Can you see that?
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So parking for trams only, route for buses only, parking for buses only, or route for trams only.
The last one, D.
Route for trams only.
Yeah.
Well done. Correct. So 3 out of 3.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is, Mamadou, we've got to get you, give you a chance to get at least one right. Yeah. So we're going to continue with the two questions each that you got left. Okay. So again, here's another sign for you. Can you see that sign?
Yeah.
Okay.
See now.
You got that?
It was blurry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Right. So what does that sign mean? Steep hill downwards, or B, uneven road surface, quayside or riverbank, or road liable to flooding?
The first one, steep and down.
Steep hill downwards, yeah?
Yeah.
Again, incorrect. It was quayside or riverbank. Your reaction.
This is not looking good.
Have you started revising for your theory yet or not?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
but not like I have not like been consistent with it as I should.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
You've got to start using this app. Right, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Here's a sign. Again, what does this sign mean? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right, I've got a way to get. I've got to get a way to get the display of the phone just there while we're doing the competition. I'll sort it away for next time. So you remember this sign, yeah?
Yeah.
And the options. Does it mean temporary minimum speed of 50 miles per hour, temporary maximum speed 50 miles per hour, or obstruction 50 meters ahead, or no services for 50 miles?
B. Second one.
Temporary maximum speed of 50, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. 4 out of 4. Right, so Mamadou, this is your final question. So this isn't a sign, but it's just a question, yeah. So you're at a junction controlled by traffic lights. When should you wait at a green light? You got the question, yeah? So you're at a junction that is controlled by traffic lights. When should you wait at a green light? Here are the options for you. Is it A, when pedestrians are waiting to cross? B, when you think the lights may be about to change? C, when you intend to turn right? Or D, when your exit from the junction is blocked?
Second option, when I think is
When you think the lights may be about to change?
yeah.
Yeah, so you think it's okay to wait at a green light when you think the lights are about to change, yeah? Final answer, yeah?
Yeah.
And again, so you finished off with another wrong answer, yeah. So the answer is you can wait at a green light, you know, when your exit from the junction is blocked. That was the correct answer, yeah. Okay, right.
Okay.
And Mohammed, your final question. So what does this sign mean? Can you see the sign?
Yeah.
Okay, so and here are your options. Does it mean turn left ahead, give way, no through road, or T junction?
T junction.
You're going for T junction, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. 5 out of 5. Not bad. After 7 years of driving, still remember most of the stuff there.
Yeah.
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 Well done. Right. So yeah, we've got a clear winner.
To be fair, he's not a fair competitor. It's like he's more experienced than mine.
Yep, I totally get that, but that's no excuse for you getting 0.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I should revise more, to be fair.
Yeah. All right. Well, so normally, with these competitions, the winner normally gets a prize. Yeah, that's going to help them with their driving. But Mohammed, you've already passed, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what we're going to do is your prize we're going to give to Mamadou because he clearly needs. Yeah, you're going to get 6 months subscription to this complete theory test kit app. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll sort that out for you. And guys, thank you very much for taking part. Any questions?
Okay.
No.
No? Mamadou, get revising, and Mohammed, keep safe on the road. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Right, guys. So any of you that have got your theory test coming up and need help with your revision, I'd recommend downloading the complete theory test kit app. And if any of you want to take part in one of these theory test quizzes, all you need to do is drop us a message on our Instagram page at DJN Driving with the words theory quiz. And again, we select learners randomly. Right then, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.